Hello everyone. I'm going to create a quick video here on how to register for DeltaMath if you have not already. So first thing you'd want to do is go to deltamath.com and you should see a screen that looks something like this. This in here might look a little bit different, but what you want to do is you want to go to create account, click on that, and then click on student. Now, it depends on your browser. I got a different screen on another computer, but basically what you want to do is you want to put in my teacher access code, which is 946160. So now this pops up, and section, this is very important. In section, you need to select conceptual geometry, abbreviated conceptual geo, and please enter your school name. All right, I'm not going to allow anybody in if I don't recognize your name. Obviously, you can use like a nickname for your first name. So I'm just going to make something up here, Joe Math, and then you want to pick an email. I would use your school email, joemath@ccsdbraves.org. Obviously, this is fictional. joemath@ccsdbraves.org. And then you're going to want to select a password. All right, I'm just going to throw in a bunch of gobbledygook here, but please write your password down and your email. Obviously, you should know, but write your password down for DeltaMath. And then what you're going to do is, boom, select that, create account. After you've registered for DeltaMath and you go to my class, you'll see upcoming assignments. As of the making of this video, I only have created one homework assignment. By the time you watch this, there might be a practice assignment in there. There might be a few others. But basically what you want to do if you're going to complete homework 1.1 is you would select the question. Each one of these represents one question. Now, I've already gone through and practiced this a little bit, so you'll see 1 out of 1, 1 out of 1. But yours to start will be 0 out of 1, 0 out of 1, 0 out of 1, and this should say 0%. This is your completion percentage on this particular assignment. So what you would do is you would just select the question, and you'd read the question, identify angle DFG by clicking and dragging the small yellow dots to shade the angle, and you do that, and you submit your answer, and it'll ask you, are you sure? Hit yes, and it'll give you a green check if it's correct. If it's incorrect, it'll allow you 2 more attempts to get the correct answer. To go to the next question, you have a couple of options. You can hit the back button here, which takes you back to the list of questions, and you can go to the next one. Or you could hit next section. There's only going to be one question per section, so if you hit that, it'll just take you to the next question. So let me take you to a question I haven't answered yet. Here's an example. Which angle number represents angle FCB? So what you would do is you'd have to look at the diagram, find angle FCB, and pick which one of those numbers represents it. Put it in the box here, hit submit answer, and then it'll say, are you sure? Hit yes, and it'll either give you a green check if you did it correctly, or maybe like a red X and say try again. You can see down here you get it 1 out of 3 attempts, and right now we haven't attempted it yet, so it says problem 1, max 1. If this is still a little confusing, do not worry about it. We're going to go over this quite a bit in class, so for those of you that maybe are playing around with it at home and are worried that you're going to mess it up, you don't have to do anything, all right? Whether you're a cherry or a gray cohort, we'll go over this on Monday or Tuesday for the cherry group and Thursday and Friday for the gray group.